Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a second mobile legend account step by step 2026. Okay, let's start the video. Like the video and follow me all the step. Tap on profile icon. Tap on account. And check login your moonton account. Tap on switch account. Tap on moonton account. And enter your email address and check verification code. Go to your Gmail apps and check the verification code and enter your verification code. At last, tap on login. By doing this process, you can successfully create a second mobile legend account. Thank you.